How to add token on Phantom Wallet using contract address. Hey everyone, welcome back to another video. In today's tutorial, I will be showing you this quick and easy tutorial. Now, you simply want to head over to your Phantom Wallet right here. You could be using your Windows computer as an extension, or you could be using your mobile application. Now you can just go ahead and follow along. Basically, let's go ahead and say that I have an account on Phantom Wallet right here, and I have my balance on the account too. And so if you want to go ahead and send something using the contract address, you simply want to go ahead and click on the receive button. From here, you can then go ahead and select your network. And from here, we now have the receive address. You simply want to click on copy. Go back to the account that has a balance. Let's just say that this account right here has my balance for my tokens. So you want to click on send, click on Solana, and from here you simply want to paste the contract address. And so if this video has been helpful, leave us a like and subscribe. I'll see you on the next one. Thank you.